This is John Freilich with Wacker Neuson. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate how to calibrate the drive lever on the Wacker Neuson RC110 single drum roller. So there are going to be three main reasons why you're going to want to calibrate the drive lever. The first reason is you experience an SPN code 415 missing setup is the description on the instrument panel. The second reason is low cranking voltage. So cranking voltage drops below 10.5 volts, basically indicating that you have a weak battery on the machine. And the third main common reason to do a drive lever calibration is you simply replace the drive lever for some additional fault you've experienced, and that new drive lever will require a calibration. The drive lever calibration is pretty simple to perform. All you really need is 20 feet in front of the machine, 20 feet in back of the machine for the calibration procedure as far as like a safe operating distance. The drive lever calibration is actually calibrating the milliamp start current values to the drive pump, forward coil, and the reverse coil from a standstill neutral position. To get the machine into the calibration mode, we're going to do a sequence of pushing 4 buttons at the same time when the engine is running. So the 4 buttons we're going to press is going to be the brake check button and the 3 push buttons underneath the display. So we're going to start the engine. We're going to press and hold these 4 buttons for roughly 5 seconds or until we hear the engine RPMs increase. When you hear the engine RPMs increase, this means the calibration mode is activated. So we're crank the engine is running. We're at just under 900 RPMs. We're going to press and hold these 4 buttons at the same time. Park brake test, the 3 buttons underneath the display. So press and hold until the engine speed increases. So let's try that again. We're going to ignition off, ignition back on. We're going to start the engine. Engine is now running. Push and hold all 4 buttons at the same time. So now you see that engine increase. Now we're in that calibration mode. Now we can begin calibrating the drive lever for the forward position followed by the reverse position, simply using the drive lever. Now that we're in calibration mode, we're going to activate the calibration by pressing the vibration button here once, followed by taking the drive lever from the park position to the neutral position, and we're going to calibrate the forward position. So we're going to take this drive lever, push it all the way forward. And what we want to observe is the drum in front of us to just slowly creep forward. If the drum is moving too fast, we're going to take our final speed selector here and start to turn it counterclockwise until that drum just barely creeps forward. So what I like to do is get the drum rolling a little bit so the machine is moving. Let me zoom out a little bit here. So you can see that drum is slightly moving. We're going to reduce our travel speed using our final speed selector. Once we find that spot where that drum's just creeping forward, that is your start current value for forward. So we're going to lock in that calibration by pressing the orange button. We're going to repeat the procedure going in the opposite direction. So reverse, pull the joystick all the way backwards. Get that drum moving a little bit. Start to reduce our speed going counterclockwise on the final speed selection until that drum just creeps forward. So right about there, lock in that calibration. Take the drive lever back to neutral, back to park, ignition off, and calibration procedure is complete. So we can test our calibration, validating our drive lever is calibrated. We should see no more SPN codes in the display, and our travel should be proportional to our input function on the drive lever. So we're going to test our drive function. Okay, we should have nice proportional control. Should not feel any jumping of the machine, lurching of the machine forward, backwards, and it's nice, smooth operation is what we're looking for. So thank you for watching. That is the drive lever calibration for the Wacker Neuson RC110 single drum roller.